We are here at the Villas of Dawsonville. They are wrapping up construction. We're going to take a look at the model home and the model townhome today. So let's come on in and take a look. Lots of cabinet space. Nice two-car garage. Nice sized living room, fireplace. Really got a lot of space in these townhomes. Just over 2,000 square feet. Good sized loft area, gives you a second living space. And your secondary bathroom, double vanity. Two decent sized bedrooms. In your primary bedroom here facing the front. Now let's check out the single family home. Now we're going to take a look at the model home. They are almost ready to go. So all these homes will be ready to close in February. So let's go inside and take a look. It's nice. We actually got power and heat in this one. A flex dining area or office area here. Did a really good job with the countertops and cabinets in this one. We got microwave and oven. 5-eye burner, big corner pantry. You got your farmhouse sink in the island. These are kind of neat. These are your outlets. Fireplace. Sunroom here. So these are really nice. I like these. These are tread covers, tread overlays that are LVP. So it matches the floor and you don't have any lips or anything like that when you're going up. It's a nice smooth surface. So high traffic areas, so it's always nice to have LVP on your stairs. You've got another loft area here, double vanity in the secondary bath, with a tub shower combo and tile surround. Two secondary bedrooms face the front of the house here. And your laundry up with a utility sink, your primary bedroom. Your primary bathroom. You've got double vanity. Another bedroom or So if you're interested in one of these homes, they're going to be ready as soon as February. So give me a call and we'd be happy to schedule an appointment with you to view them.